In today video I am going to talk about like how to set the default value of a field in frappe. So let me start. If you remember, like in the previous video I have created a YouTube doc type. No, if you remember YouTube list, so I have created this YouTube doc type in which I have simple employee link field and I have these three fields. So if I select an employee, all these three values will get fetched automatically. So now I will create one more field. Let me customize the form, and here I will create one more field. Let's say called it will be a select field, naming series, and I will provide some of the options, like let's say YT dot dot something. I will provide some of the naming series YT26. Let it give a 25. So some options I will give like this. So if I update it and refresh and again go to YouTube, so here I have some like naming series options, select options, where I can select either this or this one. So one more thing, like I will give here one more extra space, so that by default value should not be selected any of the field. Let me just refresh this, and in options I will give one space. Field name called naming series must exist to enable auto name. Okay, so let's remove it. Let us select one other field. Let's say city, and I will provide some of the options, like let's say Bangalore, Mumbai, Nagpur, and I will update it. What is this series? I will remove this, and now I will try to update it. Now if I refresh and go to YouTube, so here I have like options of the city. Now if I want, like whenever I am creating, most of the time like I will be using the Bangalore, so what I can do is I can give the default value of this city field. So how I can do that? So I can go to customize and default. I will just will like give the value of the default value, what the system should take the default value. So if I update now, go back, add new YouTube, and you see by default the system has selected whatever the value I have given in the default field. So this is how like you can set the default value. Let's take one more example. So let's create a date field and give label like posting date, and if I update and let's go to this YouTube list. Now what will happen when I'm creating, so posting date, like this is the field where I will capture like on which date I have created this document. So what I can do, I want to, like every time I do not come here and select today. So uh, uh, what I want is, whenever I'm creating new YouTube document, this posting date should always take the present date while creating this document. So what I can do is, posting date I can give here the default value. So I will just write the today, update it, and now if I go back, refresh it, and whenever I will add a new YouTube list, so system will automatically fetch the current date. So this is how you can give the default value in any of the frappe document by using the customize form and give the default value. So this is all about this video. If you like the content, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.